Meet the tortoise, nature's ancient adventurer. These creatures have roamed Earth for over 200 million years, outlasting even the dinosaurs. Their shells are not just for protection. They're actually part of the tortoise's skeleton, housing up to 60 bones. Tortoises are remarkable survivors. They can go a year without food or water, thanks to their slow metabolism. These creatures are also longevity champions. Many species live well over 100 years, with the oldest on record reaching 188. Tortoises have unique personalities. Some are shy, others are curious. Each one, a fascinating member of our planet's biodiversity. Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more.